Hey guys, welcome to TechWeb. In this video, we're going to be looking at product manager versus growth product manager. We'll understand the difference in the roles, key skills, the type of questions they need to answer. So let's get started. How is this growth product manager different from a core product manager? The responsibilities of a core product manager include solving user problems using technology, and this product manager is more aligned towards product development. Answer questions like how do we build this feature, trade-offs like in building this feature, and how should a user reach from point B to point A. So what is the responsibility of a growth product manager? A growth product manager works towards solving business problems. This may or may not be with technology. Things like users are signing up less, or maybe there are fewer user conversions, etc. Let's take an example of a tea stall. Right? A core PM whose responsibility is to build the product itself will answer questions like how do we make our tea taste better than our competitors, what ingredients in our tea will make this better for our users, how do I get more feedback from my customers about my tea, and how do I sell more tea per hour without losing out on customer satisfaction. You might have noticed most of these questions are towards building the product. How do I build the tea? How do I make it better than my competitors? Let's look at the questions that a marketing guy would answer. So how do I package my tea better? How do I get attention using my packaging? Well, a growth product manager will look at a framework called Pirate Matrix, where the AARRR funnel looks like. For example, I have too many people coming to my tea stall, but no one is buying it. So why is no one buying it? So why is the activation so low? There are so many people buying my tea. Why are they not coming again? So am I giving too many discounts during the activation? There are so many people coming again and again. Why aren't they bringing friends and families? Do I need to introduce an incentive in order to drive referrals? So these are the questions that a growth guy typically needs to answer. Now there are some questions that both growth and core PMs can sit together, brainstorm and answer with different teams. And these are questions like what else should I couple with my team to increase my pocket share? Now this is also a sales question to answer and something that comes on the line of upsell. For example, selling more biscuits or selling biscuits with the team. The other item that both of these guys work on are the users. So speaking to users, getting their feedback, understand what is to change in the journey, understand what is to change in the product. So these are also some things that both growth PM and product managers work on. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please subscribe to the channel, click a like on the video, and I'll see you in the